ngayon, kakanta tayo. Requested to ng pinsan ko na si Angelica. Ay, age. Ito na yung request mo. Tagal mo nang hinihintay. Ngayon pala ako kakanta. Yung palagi natin kinakanta to sa video, okay? I miss you, insan. So, ito na. Ito na yung request mo. Ayan na. You come so long with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. Ooh, that a hero lies in you. So, sana magustuhan mo kahit ang pangit-pangit. Bye-bye!